get your bike. Come on.
No, let's go.
Did you record on my phone?
Yeah, both of our phones are recording. Let's go. Come on.
Look at this bird.
Oh, look at the little birdie.
I don't know what he's doing.
I don't know what he's doing either.
He's just attached.
Okay, let's go to Jackie's house real quick.
He's just like, I wonder where that other bird went.
Yeah, well, he probably went off to his flock.
Come on, get on the bike.
No, we're going to Jackie's house. Come on.
Why?
Let's show Jackie the birdie. Come on.
Oh, come on, bird thingy.
Bird thingy? It's a bird.
I just nudged him.
Nudge, nudge, nudge.
Come on. Gotten really attached.
Is he? How hard is his grip?
Not that hard. You want to try him?
No. Yes, I do.
But he's attached to me.
Yeah. Once he.
Hey, what is that you got?
But it's a little baby bird.
He got attached to my arm.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
He just jumped on.
And
He can fly?
a little bit, not much.
Oh, okay.
Like barely. Like maybe this whole. Like maybe.
No,
like,
we saw him fly.
What kind of bird it is?
I don't know.
No, not really. We just saw it.
And he got on me.
Come on. Come on, little bird. Let's go. Come on, little bird. You have to go.
So where? No, dude, let's just go to your house.
No,
and
let's
show
show
Wyatt.
Jackie real quick.
I don't think she's home. Oh. No, dude, don't.
Why not?
Just don't. Come on.
Why not?
Wait, is it still recording?
Yeah.
Hello, YouTube. This baby bird. Jordan, you should.
Jump up.
No, he's attached to me.
Please don't bite me.
No, he won't. Just still.
Yeah, just set him on the ground.
No, just let him stay with me. I like him.
No, I want to try, please.
He will stay on my arm.
I don't care. Let me try.
Dude, come on.
Sit down. Sit down.
No, I don't think. Just let him stay.
Sit
Once
down.
we get to your house, I'll give it to you.
It's going to take a while.
Yeah, I know. Get on the bike. Stop recording and get on the bike.